So day 3 dinner, of course tacos, but we are sitting at Mr. Ray's, and they have like the best fish tacos. Baja style. Angel likes the fish tacos. Are they good? And there they are.
It's chicken nuggets.
Although I'm not sure why my husband only decorated his and not mine.
You said go decorate yours. You didn't say anything about.
And then we got Angel chicken nuggets just in case he didn't like the fish, and then a side of guacamole, which he loves. So then they have a little like a chipotle sauce to go with the chips. So yeah, they're good. But he really likes the fish, so he may not eat the chicken now. We'll see, huh? Are you gonna eat the chicken too? Yeah? Alright. We will see. You want some cabbage? He's like, no. So he's eating the chicken nuggets too. So that's a good thing. Are they good? Yeah? Alright.
Taco delivery service.
Alright. Oh, you want that? There's nothing spicy on it, right?
I don't remember the vegetables having any spice to them.
Mmm. Oh, now you want the cabbage. You so crazy. So the first time we came here was 9 months ago? October of last year. And my husband doesn't like fish. And I was like, just try it, just try it. He ordered chicken tacos. They were nasty. I'm like, just try it, just try it. What did they have? Yeah, you ate something. Oh yeah, quesadilla or something. And I said, just try it, just try it. And so he tries it. And he's like, okay, order me 3 more. He doesn't like fish. He's never eaten fish. He can't stand it, but he loves Mr. Ray's. So if you come to Tapachula, you gotta eat at Mr. Ray's. It's so yummy. Or Baja, California as well. They have great chicken, fish tacos down there too. How's your fish taco, mister?
What fish taco?
Plate is gone. Plate is empty. You gonna order more? Oh, and let me just say that they're $1 US a piece. Was it good?
It's okay.
It's okay. And right there, Mr. Ray. So we finished eating and we're walking back to the bank for some cash. And my little one is knocked out. 2 blocks. And he is knocked out. So I think we're calling it a night. But I think that's why we ate dinner early tonight. We knew, since he only had 1 nap and then he did all the jumping with Daddy, that he'd go down early. So, and we're listening. And we hear a storm coming in, so hopefully that'll bring a little cooler temperatures. But anyway, I think we've made an executive decision. We're just gonna walk back to the room. Or maybe take a taxi, because it's 10 blocks, and this little one's like 24 pounds. Wow, I don't know. Yeah, 24 pounds, he's a big boy now. So, we'll see. He's out. Oh, and it's so hot, and I'm sweating him out, and he's sweating me out, so. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed our trip to Mexico. We go home tomorrow, so the only thing we have is packing up and driving home, and I'm not gonna bore you with another 8-hour drive. Anyway, thank you so much for watching our channel, and don't forget to subscribe to see us on our next adventure. Bye!